The demand for the iPhone is great. People across the country are using this Apple-based cell phone in record numbers. The iPhone has also been the target of a suspect operating a crime across the country. One of those crimes occurred right here in Arvada. In mid-December last year, it's believed this suspect entered the AT&T store at 5131 Kipling Street and purchased 3 iPhones and other accessories using a bogus debit card. He then sold one of the iPhones on the internet in the Denver metro area. Based on the work of an Arvada police detective, it's believed this same suspect is responsible for similar crimes in Florida, Alabama, Oklahoma, and Utah. The total loss to AT&T stores involving these iPhones, more than $70,000.
First off, I hope that somebody who actually knows the suspect might be willing to come forward and provide information to the police. That would give us a name and possible location of the suspect. As of right now, he's doing a very good job of not leaving a trail behind, and it seems as if, according to the history of the transaction history of the card, he's traveling around the country.
The suspect is described as a black male with a light complexion, possibly 20 years of age. He's believed to be 5 foot 7 inches tall, roughly 130 pounds, and may have a goatee. He is also described as neatly dressed and wore a dark-colored stocking cap or beanie during the transaction at the Arvada AT&T store. He may be associated with a black Jeep Grand Cherokee as well.
Another thing I hope people get out of this case is they need to be aware of what they're purchasing online through various retail stores, bidding sites such as eBay and Craigslist, as is what happened with one of the phones that was stolen from our store here in Arvada. It was sold over Craigslist in Denver, and the male who purchased the phone thought he had a great deal going, but now his phone has since been confiscated. So he paid $500 for a high-end phone, and he even told me he thought it was a little too good to be true, and it was a stolen phone. So people need to be very aware as to suspicious activity, suspicious sales on the internet, and you never know if you could be picking up something that's stolen.
Anyone with information about this case is asked to contact the Arvada Police Department's non-emergency line at 720-898-6900.